naman, it's not really na may may gusto kaming pabagsakin o ganon. All we are asking is to hear us out. And they don't even allow that. Well, nangyari na ito doon sa Dumaguete. Yung unang incident talaga na hindi medyo may mga actions. I do not know if directly from the local government, but katulad ng nangyari din dito, in a similar case, na nilagyan nila ng mga heavy equipment yung park kung saan supposedly doon kami mag prayer rally. So, nangyari sa Dumaguete, nangyari din dito ngayon sa Tacloban. Nakita naman ng lahat. It seems na they won't allow us to express ourselves, our sentiments.
Sir, follow up. Doon ba sa rally, ano ba yung major na dapat na pahayag natin sa mga taga-Eastern Visayas?
Well, ang rally kasi is TAPS. It's for transparency, accountability, peace, and security. So, may mga sentiments kami, like a lot of us from Davao City na gustong makapagsabi kung how we feel about the current situation of the country right now. So, ayun lang naman sana. We can elaborate that kung nandun talaga kami sa, if they would only allow us, and if they would only heed kung ano yung masasabi namin. But, the aim is to express sentiments in order for us to help build this nation. It's not really na may gusto kaming pabagsakin o ganon. All we are asking is to hear us out. And they don't even allow that. So, well, kung ganon, parang ako as an individual, as a Filipino citizen, right now, I feel oppressed sa ginagawa nila. So, yun. Yan yung It already happened. It happened in Bulacan, in Bustos. Una dyan sana sa Malolos. Then, ni-revoke yung permit. I do not know kung bakit. Tapos sa Bustos, everybody was there, nandyan na. And there were rumors na yung property owner may pumunta daw para pagsabihan na pigilan yung or not to let him use the property for the prayer rally. So, it was rumors, I do not have any evidence of that, but yun yung nangyari talaga.
Last question, last na lang. But hakbang ng maisog sa mga nangyayaring ito, hindi ba, it won't stop from doing hakbang maisog to really, air your
Yes, of
sentiments.
course. Kasi we will insist our constitutional right to express ourselves. It's freedom of speech lang naman. Yun lang naman talaga ang hinihingi natin. Kasi kung hindi mabigay yan, it's a simple right actually. Magsabi ka lang kung how you feel about sa mga nangyayari ngayon. And I do believe that there is nothing wrong with that. Wala namang mali dyan. hindi mo naman pwede pagsabihan yung isang individual, you tell somebody to shut up. Because that is very undemocratic pag ginawa mo yan.
Thank you, Mayor.
Sir, do you expect that this is Leyte and Tacloban is this kind of treatment? Participating in it?
I believe so. Kasi, our sentiments are inclined towards kung ano yung sitwasyon ng country ngayon, and they are the ones who are in the administration. So yes, probably kung may mga movements or actions na that made it hard for us to come here or get here, probably, like, I do not want to jump to conclusions.
Sinabi ni Presidente Duterte during his post na he's even willing to sacrifice his own life. I-continue lang ito, sir. Do you agree with that?
Well, that's his choice. Ako, hindi siguro muna kasi 36 years old pa ako. Siya yun eh. But, like I said, during the Leaders Forum back in Davao, back in January, when I, nagsalita na ako, if you go back to that forum and listen to my speech, sinabi ko naman, handa na ako, I'm ready to die. Kasi, this is a press conference. It would be better for me to express, how I really feel kung sana may entablado where everybody is there. But, if it's for the country, then why not? Then, I will be absently raising proud children. Kung inguna naman, kung hilaptan ko nila. So, we'll see. Pero, this is something na hindi ko kaya na hayaan lang. It's just really simple. You just have to let us, talk. Like everybody else did before this administration. It has always been a practice in the Philippines. Na kung may sentiments tayo, nagsasalita naman yung mga tao. So, ngayon, bakit hindi? It really is very frustrating. And oppressive. I will reiterate that it's a very oppressive demonstration by this administration.